They're fine. I like these. They're Carolinas. They're all leather, so there's no BS insulation for summer. They're breathable.
How about the steel?
Steel.
Oh yeah. Pretty much fun.
Yeah, they're like boots for a man. I don't know.
I kind of thought that might happen.
Dude, good for your van. You come in that way?
Yeah, easy. We got a pool.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking about you the whole time.
Yeah, there was no way. First of all, thanks to everybody for coming out today. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It's gonna be super, super muddy if you haven't noticed. Maybe a little dust. I don't know. So we're doing 2 prize packs first thing this morning, and then we're gonna do 4 more after the ride. So first category was longest ride in. On the bike, not in your car. I mean, it is a dual sport ride, so we're going to reward whoever actually dual sported here, even though I myself drove.
Same.
Salute to you. So who rode in? If we can get a show of hands.
We got 2 people.
Thank you, guys.
The only fools
awesome.
here.
All right.
Come on, guys.
So,
It's a dual sport ride.
What mileage you got?
45.
35?
45.
45. I know you got more, I think.
Yeah, almost 100.
What? All right. So what's your name?
Ambrose.
Ambrose.
It's in my cup.
Good job, Ambrose. Come on up front here. We'll give you a prize pack.
Ambrose. Yeah, give him a round of applause.
Everybody can just take turns kicking me right now.
You wouldn't even probably not.
Right.
It's all frozen down.
No, yeah.
So you got a brand new Wolf jersey, a hat, and a bunch of stickers on here. So,
Thanks, dude.
yeah, thanks for coming out.
All right, dude. Good.
Where'd you come from?
Oldest.
For sure. Oldest guy here. So show of hands if you're over 40 in this group. All right. Keep your hand up if you're over 50. Anyone past 60? 2? 63?
There's one over there.
Oh, tie. Tiebreaker. Slow race.
Yeah, we thought this might happen, so we're not going down.
Do you want to break it down to month or slow ride?
I like slow ride.
So that's like 25 years experience of being 18? Something like that?
What's up, Chris?
What's up, dude? How's you running?
What's that?
Did you just get this?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago. What's up, dude? How you been?
Good, how are you, man?
I'm good.
Hey, you think more people than last year?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe a couple more now.
Looks about the same.
Yeah. You leading or is James leading? James is? All right, I got the back.
Pull on his hair while he's doing that. Jeez, man.
funny is that even if he was ready to go, we can't go yet.
Any idea how many?
Fucking flip.
On this way, man. It's a nice area.
Yeah, buddy.